Hi, this is Doug, the Yankee Handyman. Today we're going to be replacing the headlight on the 2015 Prius. To start, you push this button here on the back of the socket and slide it off the back of the bulb. It's easy to do it with the bulb still in place. So it was in this position, you turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise, then pull it backwards. We already opened the package, but when you handle one of these bulbs, it's easy if you wear gloves because you don't want to touch any of this with your bare skin. The oils from your skin will make the bulb burn out faster. So you want to keep that clean and dry. So now we're going to put the bulb back in. So turn it back down. Okay, the bulb is back in its housing. Now we'll take the socket and plug it back over the back of the bulb. You hear the click, it's locked back in, the job is done. Now we're going to turn on the lights, make sure the headlight works. Very easy, just a 5-minute job. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Bye now.